Hey guys! So, you caught me picking star fruits. Stick around because I'm going to be showing you how to make a very rejuvenating Jamaican drink. Star fruits can be toxic to some persons, so please watch this video to the end to find out if this is applicable to you. Star fruit is also known as carambola and jimbilin. It is in season right now and it is extremely nutritious with a host of health benefits. It's low in calories, high in dietary fiber, vitamins A, D, and C. And in terms of the health benefits, it has anti-inflammatory properties, it's diabetic friendly, it can promote weight loss, and it's good for heart health, and it's very high in antioxidants. Pineapples, as we all know, are very delicious. They also have several vitamins and minerals. They're especially high in vitamin C and manganese, and research has shown that they may have anti-inflammatory properties, they may have anti-cancer properties, they may have properties that can help to alleviate the symptoms brought on by arthritis. They are rich in antioxidants and they can help with digestion. So when you combine pineapples with star fruits, you get to reap all the health benefits as well as the nutritional value. So let's get right into the demo. So the name of this drink is called Carambola Pineapple Refresher. For this recipe, you're going to need half of a small pineapple, as well as 2 carambolas about this size, 2 cups of water, and Jamaican cane sugar. This will give you approximately 1 serving. If you're diabetic or you're watching your weight, then use all of the pineapple and make sure it's sweet so you don't have to use a sweetener. Peel pineapple and cut into small pieces. Cut star fruits into small pieces as well. Add all ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. Strain into a container and stir vigorously with a spoon. Repeat the entire process as necessary. Sweeten to taste with Jamaican cane sugar. There you have it, guys. Carambola pineapple refresher. Research shows that starfruit can be toxic for people with kidney disease, so if you have kidney disease, please talk to your doctor about same. If you would like to see another refreshing Jamaican drink recipe, then click on this link. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week Sunday at 2 p.m. One love from the beautiful island of Jamaica. Bye guys.